so these are the black Jones. The box is empty actually, just wanted to show the box. Sweet, so here we are. These crepes, oh my god, they're amazing, man. I won't even lie to you, they're sick. These are one of the good ones as well. Like, the only one I don't like out of the bunch is the blue, orange and pink. Some weird colors. It's a madness for me, I said that already. But yeah, if you ain't seen the other videos I made about the whole inspiration pack, I bought all 4 of them and I made a video on all of them. So I'm gonna put cards all over this video, so just, you know, once you're done with this one, go see the rest of them if you ain't seen it already. And shout out to you lot showing the mad support though. Like, yo, you lot, it's crazy, man. It's gassy. That's why I'm this amped, because I'm making this like the next day, because I was really tired. Anyways, I'm talking too much. Let's get into the shoes. Like, the colorway in this is like some sort of baby blue, and you know, the white sole, and then orange. So that's literally what it is. Well, black's the main color obviously, and the orange laces, and they actually give you white laces as well, which I think will work well with this because it's black. But yeah, you know, it says inspire and empower. Like, now I know what the Chinese writing means. So yeah, it's just the regular NMDs, to be real with you. So, you know, got the sick embroidery, and the whole colorway just works for me. Like, that's what I've been mentioning throughout the videos I've made. Like, the whole colorway just works in terms of like, I can wear this any day and I'll be happy with what I'm wearing. Like, it's not something where I'm forcing it or nothing, which is something I don't like forcing things. I have my own style. But yeah, this they really work. And you know, it's got like some, what should I call it? It's like gold hills or whatever color this is. It looks golden to me. It's some weird kind of brown or whatever really. But yeah, these is lit, man. This is something I'm happy with, and it does look good on feet as well, which you're gonna see it shortly. But yeah, it's just the regular NMDs. It fits true to size. I'm a size 8 and I bought size 8s. But the BBC collab, someone mentioned in the comments as well on my previous video, they do fit quite snug. And I was saying in that video, like, I think they fit snug, but I thought I was blaming it on the socks I was wearing, but someone else does have that problem, so I guess they do feel snug. So I'm getting rid of that one, and also the blue, pink and orange, or some weird color, man. I can't deal with that. But yeah, I'm getting rid of that one, but I'm gonna keep the rest 3 of them because these is lit. So yeah, I'm just gonna head on into the B-roll and the on-feet review, just so you have a closer look into these, you know, amazing crepes that we got here. And yeah, so let's just head into this B-roll in it so you can see how it looks, you know, close up. But yeah, let's go. Right, so I hope you did enjoy the video I put together for you, like the whole B-roll section, and I hope you got a better idea of how it will look like on feet, because you know, I've done the on feet review. Not much of a review, but just my style of what I do anyways. But I hope you did enjoy what I put together, and if you did, just leave a like and, you know, subscribe also if you're new, because there's gonna be more of these to come, and just more of like a diverse content, like different sort of things, not just trainers and all of that. But this is gonna be like, this is a big thing on the channel, so it's always gonna be here. But anyways, I'm gonna start posting lit pictures on Instagram as well, so like look out for that. Follow me on Instagram at adambiguous, the same way the YouTube channel is spelled, I think. I'm gonna put in the top link in the description. But yo, man, you lot, thanks for the support and everything else, man. Like, big up yourselves, man, all the time. But yeah, thank you anyways, and I'm done. This is it for this video. Bye bye.